Hey Crown fans, Frank is back, and that's the price I have to pay when I go on woodways or forest ways to show you at these secret places my light bar or my sirens, because it's out of the public, it's far away from the town, and I can show you that there. But the price is dust and dirt in my car. And today I put old clothes on, and I want to remove the dust and the dirt from my car. And that's not interesting for you in the US, you know that car, but it's maybe interesting for my German or European buddies. That's the first car I've got where I don't need a vacuum to clean it up. It's only rubber. We don't know that in Germany because every car here, or every car has a carpet in. Maybe you know that in the US more because you drive more heavy duty vehicles like pickups. We haven't pickups. We haven't pickups in Germany. Only a few, but not so many as in the US. So let's start only to scratch the dust and the dirt a little bit here from the rubber. Put it outside and some water. Yeah, and it's clean. Wonderful. And so quick to make it like brand new. Not like brand new, but no things more inside. And that's very easy. No carpet, no vacuum, and very rough. Thanks a lot. Bye bye, Frank and Clean Vicky.